I didn't know Hawks ate leftover pizza. Apparently this one likes Domino's, because that's what he's got. He just jumped down there and grabbed a piece of Domino's pizza that I threw out there for the possums and stuff to eat. Never would have guessed. Thin crust pepperoni. Apparently that's a winner. I wonder if he's just eating the pepperoni or if he's eating all of it. Sorry, I'm trying to keep this steady, guys. It's shaking around a lot. It's early morning, so it's not filming very clear. Still kind of, sun's not even hardly up yet. I'm filming this through a dirty windshield too. I believe that's a red-tailed hawk. Could be a Cooper's hawk, but I think it's a red-tailed hawk. Sorry, my hand's going to sleep. I'm trying to hold this thing. Yeah, I pulled in the driveway and there were two blue jays fighting over a piece of pizza sitting there. And then this big old sucker come flying in. So I figure I better get the camera out. Not very often I get to see one of these guys in the yard. They're usually just flying around. It used to be a nest right beside my house. For a couple years straight, they kept coming back, laying eggs, and that was kind of cool. I ain't been out there for a few years though. There's a big piece sitting there on that brick right behind him. I don't know if you've seen that one. That's probably a little better pizza. That's some ain't just no Domino's. That's some good restaurant pizza. All right.